Why does blood look blue? Let's find out. A lot of people believe that arteries are red and veins are blue. Because arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood, but this is not true. In fact, arteries are vessels that carry blood away from the heart. These are usually rich in oxygen except for the pulmonary artery. Veins are the vessels that carry blood to the heart, usually deoxygenated blood, except for the pulmonary vein. In reality, all blood is red. However, deoxygenated blood is a slightly deeper red. So why do our veins look blue? Veins only look blue because skin filters light so that only blue light is reflected back to your eyes from the veins. Did you know there's an estimated 60,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body? That's enough to go around the world twice. And there are some creatures that have blue blood, like crabs.